Today I'm going to be doing a science experiment to see what happens to Orbeeze in a microwave. Now, in a past experiment I showed you what happens to these little water-filled Orbeeze in a hot pan, and they were bouncing all over the place like crazy. So let's try something else, put them in the microwave and see what happens. Alright, I'm going to turn it on for about maybe a minute. Now, why are the Orbeeze sparking? I mean, they're only water-filled balls. That is very bizarre. That's the last thing I ever expected to see happen with these Orbeeze. I mean, there's nothing in there abnormal, just a regular microwave, clear plastic container, and Orbeeze. Very strange. Very strange. I have no idea why that's happening. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.